Hello, everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome.
My name is Alex.
My name is Ria.
Today we speak English together. Very easy, very slow.
Yes, only simple words. Let's start.
Hello, Ria.
Hi Alex, how are you today?
I am good. Thank you. And you?
I am very good, little tired but happy.
Why tired?
I wake up early today, at 6 o'clock.
Oh, wow. I wake up at 8.
Lucky you, haha.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, and you?
I like green. Very nice color.
Yes, green is beautiful.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, one small brother. He is 10 years old, very naughty.
Haha, cute. I have one big sister. She is 25.
Nice family.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, very hungry.
Me too. Do you want food?
Yes, please. What food?
I have biscuits and juice.
Perfect. Thank you.
Here, one biscuit for you.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Very tasty.
Do you like tea or coffee? I like tea. With milk.
Same. Coffee is okay, but tea is better.
Do you have pets?
Yes, one cat. Name is Mimi. Very lazy.
Oh, cute. I have one dog. Name is Max. Very playful.
I want to meet Max one day.
Yes. And I want to meet Mimi.
Deal.
What do you do every day?
I go to school, class 9. I study English, math, science.
Good. I finished college. Now I work in office.
Wow, what work?
I make YouTube videos. Like today.
So cool.
What is your favorite subject?
English, because now I can talk with you.
Oh, thank you. You speak very good.
Really? Thank you. I practice every day.
Perfect. Practice is the secret.
Yes.
Oh no. Look at time. It is late.
Yes, I have to go home now.
Okay. Thank you for talking with me.
Thank you, Alex. I had so much fun.
Me too. See you again?
Yes, tomorrow same time.
Perfect. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Alex. Take care.
Bye, everyone. Practice with us every day.